Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, we are ready to connect with these cards. We're going to go ahead and cleanse them with some sage smoke and some frankincense smoke. Okay. And these are the affinity cards. All right. We'll go ahead and get some frankincense going, some sweet messages. We want some sweet messages. All right. Let's go ahead and get a good shuffle. I have the window open. I hope you can't hear too much of the background noise, but if you do, I sincerely apologize. Make sure we shuffle these pretty good. Get them used to my energy. All right, I'm gonna just do it one more time, y'all. All right, cut them. Okay, put that there. And I guess put that at the bottom. Four of Pentacles. And then I'll go ahead and cut it again. The Magician. And knock the energy out. All right, what messages does the collective need to know on this day, Saturday, June, I think it's the 25th. What's that? Six of Swords. Okay, we'll take both of those. They came out in reverse. Two of Wands. Somebody's afraid to change. They're playing it safe. Then you might have somebody who's losing interest or not doing some good planning. Page of Pentacles in reverse. So here's the Two of Wands in reverse for this deck. And Page of Pentacles in reverse. There's a lack of commitment. Some red tape that may be in the way. Somebody may be being greedy, lazy, a troublemaker, foolish. And there may be some not so good news with this page out here. Two of Wands is, like I said, not some good choices. Then you have Three of Wands in reverse. Arrogance, pipe dreams, obstacles, delays, frustrations. Somebody's uncooperative. This is not good energy. Everything's coming out in the reverse. Ten of Swords. Something in reverse, you know, it could be that everything is fine, but in the upright, but in reverse, there's some despair. Something needs to be improved. Something's gonna come to an end, whether you want it to or not. It can't get any worse than it already is. Somebody may be recovering though. The sun is out here in the reverse. Something's hidden. Somebody's over enthusiastic, depressed, causing delays, negative. Good grief. Page of Wands reverse. Unachievable expectations. Somebody's impulsive, procrastinating, conflict, bad news. The World's in reverse. Something is not coming to a complete circle, a complete end. Somebody needs closure and they're not getting it, so they feel empty. Again, more delays. And somebody's seeking fulfillment or to fill a void. What is going on today? I don't know if this is your energy or the energy of someone coming toward you. If this is your energy, I would recommend that you meditate and really get yourself out of this funk. Temperance, conflict, imbalance, chaos, lack of harmony, recklessness. My goodness. Yeah, somebody's out of balance right now. 9 of Cups. Not truly happy. Greedy, materialistic, unsatisfied. Ace of Swords in reverse. Chaos, confusion. And someone's not taking action. Somebody's being dishonest. And there's a lot of arguing. Whatever you have going on, if this is a relationship, it needs to come to an end. And even if you don't end it, it's going to end anyway. The Chariot, yep, you need to move forward. You need to change. You need to take action and stop staying stuck in the mud and spinning your wheels. You need to take this new journey. Move forward. Practice self-control. 4 of Cups, you have other choices. You need to choose one of those other choices. You may feel like you're going to be bored or unfulfilled or even rejected or dissatisfied. But, you know, may just be something that's all in your head. So you're withdrawing. You have all these offers. You have 4 offers in front of you, but you're not choosing any of them. You're just sitting there, you know, with your arms crossed and, you know, still praying or asking or meditating, but you're not taking action. Right? 7 of Pentacles out here in the upright. You've put in a lot of hard work. You're very diligent, but your success is delayed. You can start to see the seed sprouting, things start to grow, but because you're not taking action to move forward, you're just waiting, and that's why all these delays are out here. Queen of Cups, you're going to meet somebody who has compassion, who's comforting, who's nurturing, who's healing and supportive and intuitive. Because whoever you're dealing with now is none of that. This person is the complete opposite of that, right? Knight of Cups. Maybe you're the Knight of Cups. The Knight and the Queen of Cups are both out here. And the King of Cups. So this is a couple, right? Emotional control, balance, leader, generous, compassionate, supportive. So if you move forward, you'll have a great relationship. Right? It'll be ideal and romantic. He or she's gonna be charming. Follow your heart. This may be a proposal coming up. You know, somebody may ask to marry you, or you may ask to marry somebody. What else does the collective need to know? But whoever this other person or this situation, whether it's a job, a business, a person, you need to walk away and leave that alone and move forward. Because it's nothing but drama, causing delays. It's negative, arguing all the time. Page of Swords. It's like you're curious about this new person, but you're just spying on the person. Like, I feel like you're watching this person. Maybe even gossiping about this person, or maybe you gossiped about this person in the past, but this person is very truthful and direct. It's a sword, a page of swords, you know. They usually give you honest news, direct and blunt, right? What else? If you move forward, you'll have the harmony, right? Seven of Swords. Maintain your control. Stand your ground. Defend yourself. Don't uncompromise. Tower. Yep, it's going to be a sudden change. Either you make the change on your own, or it's going to, you know, it's going to come to an inevitable end. Like I said, that with that Ten of Swords out in the reverse, whether you change voluntarily or, you know, something drastic has to happen for you to change, it's going to come one way or the other. So you better get ready, because it's going to knock your socks off. You know, and if you're not mentally ready, it can really be a little devastating. And, you know, this could be past, present, or future energy. So if it hasn't happened already, it's coming. So, you know, stop being stubborn and open up your mind. So be willing to change. All right, let's get one last message, because this is a lot. It could be violent and chaotic, and, you know, just a sudden change. It could be disastrous. Sometimes I see the Tower as good, because I think that change is good. But with all these other cards out here in the reverse, I don't think it's going to be a good change for you. Yep, King of Pentacles. You'll become the Knight of Pentacles. Sorry. You'll become the Knight of Pentacles if you're not already. Someone who's hardworking, patient, dependable, reliable, efficient. And, you know, it may take some time. But slow and steady wins the race. You don't have to rush. There's no need to rush. You know, everything's going to work out in divine timing. So just be patient with yourself. But you do need to leave this old situation and move forward. Move ahead to this new situation. Again, whether it's a person, place, or thing. All right, anything else? Does the collective need to know anything else? Please and thank you. I'm grateful for this message today. Hopefully this will help them put things into perspective. 9 of Wands. Somebody's very resilient. Again, you need to stand your ground, defend yourself, set boundaries, and keep those boundaries. Don't say you're going to do something and then don't do it. You know, say what you mean and mean what you say, and then stick to it. You know, we do what we want to do. And if you really want to do something, you'll do it. And that's just the bottom line. With no excuses and no apologies. I feel like somebody's going to have a baby too. Have 8 of Wands. And the Lovers, yeah. Yeah, you're going to have new love coming. It's going to come fast. You're going to be traveling. New arrivals, right? Again, I feel like somebody's going to have a baby. And I said that before I even saw what this card was. It's going to be a fast decision. I feel like once that ball starts rolling, everything's going to happen quick. You might be married by the end of the year, or somebody might be pregnant by the end of the year. I feel like within 3 to 6 months, you know, you'll know whether or not you're going to marry this person, or this person will know whether or not they want to marry you. So there may be some type of proposal. Definitely going to be a union, a good relationship, a love connection. There'll be trust, harmony. A great partnership. So even if it's a business, you're going to have a great partner. So if you've been delaying putting off a business and starting a business, and you've just been working a job, it's time for you to move forward and start that business, and you're going to have a great business partner. Whether it's that business partner is also a love interest, or just someone, you know, who's going to be a good business partner. So this is ending well. Yeah, 8 of Pentacles. You'll both be diligent, have high standards, have passion for what you're doing, whether it's love or a business, like I said. And you'll be able to promote and master your craft. And you'll have passion in the relationship, if that's what it is. This is great. It started kind of janky, but I'm happy for you. Yeah, in the past I felt like you were heartbroken. You're going through a divorce, maybe depressed about it. If it's not a divorce, just a breakup, and a not so good breakup. You maybe felt like you were suffering in a relationship, or suffering because you had to walk away. But you need to cleanse your energy. King of Wands is out here. Be bold and courageous. Be an inspiration. Think about others and helping others. Something was in the dark and it's now coming to light. Again, unexpected drama, anxiety, fear. There was some illusions, but use your intuition. There may be some unforeseen things coming up, and this is confirmation. Ace of Cups, intuition, again, a proposal, a new baby, like I said earlier, creativity, new feelings, new relationship. So with this Lovers and this Ace of Cups, get ready. That was an awesome source reading. I hope that this was helpful, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'm glad I'm able to help. Later.